Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check Tesla Model Y battery health. This simple method helps you understand your vehicle's battery condition without complex tools. We'll cover how to perform the check and what the results mean for your car's longevity. Monitoring battery health is crucial for maintaining optimal range and performance, ensuring your Tesla continues to deliver a great driving experience for many years. Tesla batteries, like all lithium-ion batteries, experience gradual degradation over time. A new Model Y might show 1 to 2% degradation almost immediately. The majority of this capacity loss happens within the first 50,000 miles of driving. After that, the rate of degradation slows significantly, often stabilizing around 10 to 15% total loss over the vehicle's lifespan. Understanding this natural process helps set realistic expectations for your car's range. To perform the easy battery health check, first, fully charge your Tesla Model Y to 100%. Once charged, observe the estimated range displayed on your car's screen. Then, compare this displayed range to the original factory-rated range for your specific Model Y variant. For example, if your car originally had a 333-mile range and now shows 300 miles, you can calculate the difference. This simple comparison provides a quick snapshot of your battery's current health. After comparing your current range to the original, you can interpret the results. A 5 to 10% reduction in range is quite normal after several years of ownership and many miles. However, if you observe a significant drop, perhaps 20% or more, it might be worth having a service center inspect your battery. Remember, external factors like extreme temperatures and recent driving patterns can temporarily influence the displayed range, so consider these variables when evaluating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.